Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, check this one out right here, sitting on a branch. Can you see that? Look at that, check it out. It's Max D, but it's a special one. It's Team Meets Max D. Pretty cool. It's from 2001 World Championship. Who's that right there? It's Scooby-Doo. Just kidding. Scooby-Doo's not a real dog. It's a monster truck. Pretty cool looking though. Oh my goodness, this one's up in the air too. Look at this, it's just wiggling around on a stick. It's Troll. It's pretty neat. Whoa, it's another Max D, but it's a special one. He's got fire tires. Whoa, watch out everybody. At least this one's a fast one. And then we got Daredevil. Whoa, look at that salmon that's in his mouth. Check this out right here. We got Mohawk Warrior. Wow, pretty cool. Check this one out, it's Bigfoot Snake Bite. Big Bite, it says Big Bite on this side, and it says Snake Foot on this side. We've got Pirate's Curse. Check that out. We've got Jurassic Attack over here. Well, look at that. How many horns does Jurassic Attack have? 1, 2, 3. Check. It's amazing. I like the purple color too. Speaking of purple, check this one out. It's Boogie Van. Whoa, spooky. Look at those eyes. It's watching me. Pretty cool little van. Whoa, who's this? I've never seen this. It's Rage. That's a friendly monster truck, I think, right? It says Avenger Racing on the hood. It says Lucas Oil Products up there on the top. It says Monster Jam. It's pretty cool. And we've got Double Decker. Check it out. Whoa, who's this over here? It's Buns of Steel. That's a hamburger and french fries. It says combo, flip, smash, crush. It's pretty cool. Buns of Steel. And we've got Carbonator Hot Wheels float. It's a root beer float. And then we've got Batman. It's pretty cool. It's the Batmobile monster truck. Whoa, is that a unicorn just laying there? It's Sparkle Smash. That's a pretty cool one. And then we've got one up in the tree here. I think he was making a burger delivery and he got stuck. Burger delivery. Pretty neat. Do you see any more? Oh, I think we found. Oh wait, there's one more right there. It's Bone Shaker. It's a white bone shaker. That's pretty cool. This one's kind of rare, I think. I don't know. What do you think? Have you seen this one before? Let's get all the monster trucks out that we found today. We found Bone Shaker, Burger Delivery, Buns of Steel, Rage, Double Decker, Pirate's Curse, Hot Wheels Root Beer Float, Carbonator Root Beer Float, Sparkle Smash, Max D with the fire tires, Boogie Van, Snakefoot Big Bite, basically Bigfoot and snakebite. Troll. Mohawk warrior. Daredevil. Batman. Batmobile. Jurassic Attack. Max DT Meets. And Scooby-Doo. How many monster trucks do you think we found today? That's a lot. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 monster trucks. That's a lot of monster trucks. It's pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends.